Today's lesson goes along with workbook page 189. It is about partner equations. For these partner equations, we will be adding. I'm going to start with 5 double-sided counters. One side is red, one side is yellow. I'm going to start out with them all on the red side. And now I'm going to turn one of them over. Here you will see that this group of counters, 5 total, is equal to or the same as 4 red counters plus 1 yellow counter. This corresponds with the page right here at this equation. Here is a group of 4 green dots, 1 white dot, and all together there are 5. You will see the same partner equation in your workbook and on my whiteboard. Let's do the next one together. This time I'm going to have 3 red counters and flip over the rest of my counters to yellow. My equation now is 5 is equal to or the same as 3 red plus 2 yellow. I can write this equation in my workbook. 5 equals 3 green plus 2 white. Let's try one with 6. Here I have 6 total counters, so 6 counters all together. I'm going to flip one of my counters over to make it match my first equation in my workbook. Now I have 6 counters. That is equal to or the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red counters plus 1 yellow counter. If I want to do the next equation in my book here, I'm going to make my counters here match the picture in my workbook. So now I have 4 red counters and 2 yellow counters. The equation is 6 equals 4 red plus 2 yellow. Again, I can write this equation in my math workbook that is the same. I have 6 equals 4 plus 2. Let's do one more with 10 counters. I'm going to make my 10 counters match the first equation here with purple dots in my workbook. So I have 10 counters all together, or the total number, and that is the same or equal to 10 equals 9 red counters plus 1 yellow counter. To do the next problem in my workbook, I'm going to flip another one over. And now I'm going to just draw a line in between so I can easily count my counters here. I have 10 altogether, and that is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 red counters plus 2 yellow counters. Again, I'm going to go to my workbook and I'm going to write that equation in. I have 8 plus 2. Continue with the rest of the problems on page 189.